Hey everyone, Alex Ryan here. I want to share a quick tip. About 3 years ago, I went to a place in Africa called Mozambique, and I had a client over there who was importing furniture, very similar to the ones you see out there. He owned 2 resorts in Mozambique, and I assisted and helped him import these from China. He saved a whole bunch of money. And he wasn't a beginner importer. He was sort of an intermediate advanced importer. He already imported and made quite a few $1 million importing from China. But what importing enabled him to do was save at least 50% off the price of this furniture. Now, he was importing furniture. These are bulky things. They require 20-foot or 40-foot high Q containers. You need big containers. You need good customs brokers. You need good freight forwarders to get them into your country. If you're a beginner at importing, I would never say import things like furniture. And the reason why is you need to have experience. You need to know how to fill containers. You need to make sure you can sell it, because when you start going to container loads, it gets expensive. The shipping gets expensive, not a whole lot. If you're based in Australia, about $2,000. Again, not a whole lot. But then you've got to rent the container. You need a freight forwarder to arrange the shipping of the container, to lift it from the dock onto a truck. You need your truck transport to your warehouse or to your 3PL. So there's a lot going on. But if you're an intermediate or advanced importer, you've been with me for a few years, you would know easily how to import these. But if you're new, do not go into importing these things, okay? Furniture, it not only costs quite a bit of money, so you're out of pocket a lot of capital up front, but also you need to know the ins and outs of actually shipping via container. If you're new to importing, focus on things you can fly over in little boxes. Shoe boxes or boxes a little bit bigger, but things you can fly over on DHL, or even just EMS or just China Air. But focus on that if you're new to importing. Okay, things that are lightweight, things that don't cost a lot of money but are very high margin, but things that, more importantly, do not require container loads. Okay, enjoy your rest of your day. Hope you're having a fantastic day and happy importing. Talk to you real soon.